Meet the North Coast Rocketry SA-14 Archer XL. Now this rocket's been crushing the skies since originally back in 1990, but it's been re-released with all modern equipment. As you can see, it's a 4-inch diameter rocket that's about 5 feet long, just a little over 5 feet long, and it flies on 29mm diameter rocket engines. You'll notice back here we have a screw-on engine retainer. It also has what's called the Gorilla Lock fin system, which locks the fins in from 2 directions to make them really strong and hard to bounce off when the rocket lands hard. Inside we have the Gorilla shock cord system, which consists of a Kevlar shock cord plus an elastic shock cord, and there's this quick link down here to unwind everything after the rocket comes back. Up at the top we have a large payload bay. It's about 9 inches long, 4 inches in diameter, so you can put in those altimeters and other little tiny payloads. This is the North Coast Rocketry SA-14 Archer XL. You'll find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.